mean, we're here at the Viscom booth with Carsten Zalewski. Thank you very much for having us. Yes, business year is almost over. Viscom is both a European as well as a German institution. How did it go? Are you happy?
Yes, we are. It's a fantastic year. 2018 turned out to be very strong on the order side and strong business in Europe and in Asia. The Americas is a little bit behind, but that's something we understand well based on certain political circumstances. But overall, it's a very successful year. And Electronica turns out to be very good, a lot of attendance, a very good show for us.
The two prominent subjects that people talk about in the electronics industry and broader industry as well are Brexit and the tariffs that are being imposed by the President of the United States. As an equipment manufacturer, you are more or less one of the target groups for these two problems. How do you deal with this? Is that actually a problem for Viscom, or is it something that you can mitigate?
There's no direct influence of our business through any special tariffs or anything. So optical inspection systems and X-ray inspection systems, for example, are not part of extra tariffs to import them into the United States. As a German manufacturer, of course, we rely on export from Germany into our markets, and so free trade is very important to us. And I personally join committees like in the German-American Chamber of Commerce, and but also with IPC. We like to promote free trade and the benefits of that. Our customers really have to look into their investments, and that's what I mentioned earlier. Certainly investments in Mexico went down a little bit in the first half of the year, waiting for what happens to NAFTA. Now that we have a renewed NAFTA, USMC something, we see that things go back to normal. But overall, yes, that's as a German exporting machine building company, we need to be able to ship our products into all the market, which includes China.
Yeah. A question that just popped up in my head actually is, you're producing your equipment in Germany. It's a proper made in Germany kind of machine. If those problems like NAFTA, like Brexit, like those tariffs, additional tariffs, if those problems aren't solved in the foreseeable future, would you actually really consider adding another manufacturing base outside Europe, outside Germany?
I could maybe first point out the advantages of manufacturing in Germany.
Yes.
I mean, we hear everywhere that the economy and the supply chain in Germany is a little bit tough right now, but it's possible to manage that because our suppliers are close by, well managed, and we have a good relationship there. So we can actually guarantee in-time deliveries for most of what we do. We do a lot of custom-specific developments as well, and there we need a close partnership to our suppliers in the machine building sector. So that's pretty much something we would not be able to do in third or far away countries. For mass production of standard systems, it's a different story, but there are no plans currently to go anywhere.
Okay.
But we are flexible. We adapt. We understand the tariffs and customs situation of our customers and ourselves, so we are able to supply all the markets.
We're at Electronica. Which of the machines that you exhibit here are you most proud of?
That's a tough choice, all of them. So, being a German machine building company.
Which is, the darling of the show?
So brand new on this show, we have the 3D wire bond inspection. So we do wire bond inspection for many years, which is used in a lot of automotive parts, but also high power electronics. And now we have added 3D measurement to wire bond inspection to inspect and measure loop heights, which is really a highlight. With all the other 3D AOI and 3D inline X-ray inspection equipment that was. I'm very proud that we can also do that with wire bond inspection.
Well, then, thank you very much for your time. Good luck with the show, and I hope you get more fans of that particular machine.
I'm sure we do. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.